Good morning, kids. It's another beautiful day today, isn't it? In yesterday's lesson, you have identified the different materials that undergo decay. Can you give examples of materials that undergo decay? Very good. Fruits and vegetables gets rotten. They are perishable as well as other biodegradable materials. Some factors that contribute to the decaying process of the materials are sunlight, water, soil, and action of microorganisms. Look at these pictures of the decaying materials. Do you think these materials can make us sick? What possible diseases can we get if we are exposed to these materials? You'll find out as we move further to our lesson. What do you understand by the word diseases or sickness? Well, let's take a look of its meaning. Diseases is an illness that affects a person, animal, or plant. A condition that prevents the body or mind from working normally. Our today's activity will help you describe the kind of diseases or sickness that decaying materials can give us. Examine these pictures displayed on the board. Dump sites, squatter area, canal, or estero. Describe what you see in each picture. Then, record your observation on your science notebook. Let's now take a look on the findings you have listed on your notebook. Organize your findings on your datasheet like this one on the board. On first column, you will going to write the place where the family lives based on the pictures shown a while ago. What are the materials seen in the surroundings? Write your answer on the second column. What are the pests breeding in the surroundings? Write them on the third column. Why do you think those pests like to breed in dirty place? Yes, you are right, Ellie, because they like dark and damp places. They like dirt. Then, on the third column, write the possible illness the people could acquire living in those places where they exposed to decaying materials. How did you find the activity? Interesting. Yes, it's interesting to know more about all of this, because it will help us realize that cleanliness really matters as far as our health is concerned. Maintain cleanliness help in our simple way to keep our surroundings clean. Now kids, tell me, what kind of materials are found in the dump sites? Canal or estero? Yes, we see garbage materials such as plastic, animal waste, and so on. Can you describe the surroundings in each picture? Yes, a dirty surroundings. What are the common pests seen in the surroundings? We see flies, mosquitoes. What can you say about the family living in those areas? Yes, they are exposed to garbage. Decaying materials are waste that may cause harm to one's health. Waste is any materials that is no longer usable and is thrown away. What possible diseases can we get if we are exposed to these materials? There are common ailments that may result from being exposed to decaying materials. Some of them are Malaria and dengue are diseases spread by specific type of mosquitoes. These become epidemic in places where this type of mosquito breed. Typhoid. Typhoid is a waterborne disease. People who drink polluted water can become infected with typhoid. Dysentery is a disease that can cause severe diarrhea. If not treated properly, someone can die from it. This is a waterborne disease that is transmitted to a person when they drink polluted water. How could people living in areas near dam sites, estuaries, or canals be protected from getting sick? Take note of this, kids, and let everyone knows the proper disposal of waste should be observed in areas near dam sites, estuaries, or canal to prevent them from too much exposure to garbage that will result to danger. Good hygiene practices such as washing of hands, boiling of water, avoidance of exposure to air if possible. Okay kids, it's now time to get your paper and pencil for your evaluation. Remember to read and understand the questions before writing your answer. Read the questions and explain your answer. Number 1. If you are exposed to decaying materials, what could be its result to your health? Number 2. Explain why decaying materials affects one's health and safety. Okay kids, congratulations for the job well done. For your assignment, look around your surroundings inside your house and on your own yard. Interview your parents how they practice proper waste disposal. Prepare a report about this. Okay kids, it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye for now. God bless.